ONDO's price increased over 400% in this year, but will ONDO move to even higher prices? In this video I will talk about ONDO and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. ONDO is on place 76 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. It's one of the biggest projects in the real world asset niche. And as I said, we also saw this massive price increase this year on the weekly time frame. And if we go on the daily time frame, you can see that we are still in this bullish trend. But after we push to the upside and reach this last high right here at $1.05, we then saw this retrace into the downside again. We also retested this last high right here. It's also very common that you will retesting this last highs, and if we are then seeing a bullish push to the upside, then the chance is high that we continue to move to even higher prices. But for a longer time, we are now seeing this accumulation phase. But I think if we are not breaking this last low, then the chance is really high that we can continue the bullish trend in the future. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on this project. We just have a market cap of $1.1 billion. And if we would compare the market cap of ONDO right now to the market cap of VeChain at the all-time high, we would then have a price target of $11 and a 14x potential. And I think this comparison makes sense because VeChain was one of the best performing altcoins in the last cycle. And ONDO is one of the biggest coins in the real world asset niche. And the chance that the coins in this niche will explode to the upside in this bull cycle is very high. And if you want to trade ONDO, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 bonus. You'll find the link for Bitunix in the description. So as I said, I think the chance is high that you could reach this potential price targets. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but also if we have a look at the total crypto market cap 3 excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see that we still have a lot of potential to the upside to the last all-time high of the altcoins. And I think the chance is high that you can see even higher prices, especially with now approved Bitcoin spot ETF and the potential Ethereum ETF. The chance is high that much retailers will come into the market and that we will see new record highs. And if just a small percentage flows into ONDO, the chance is high that you could see even higher prices. And if we are going on the short term on the 4-hourly chart, you can again see that we are having this accumulation phase. And in ranges, it's always important to have a view where is the liquidity. And as always, over important highs and under important lows, there will be much liquidity. So I think the chances is high that much liquidity is resting under this lows right here. So I could imagine that we could see a pullback just into the zone. And if we then see a bullish reaction after reaching this potential lows, then the chance could be very high that we are seeing the bullish explosion. Or if we are seeing a directly move to the upside again, and if we are breaking this last highs and find acceptance, then of course the chance is also high that we can see even higher prices in the near future. But it also depends what Bitcoin is doing. Because as you can see, after this longer bearish trend, we then saw this quick bullish move to the upside from this low from 57,000 to 64,000. And now it's very important that we are also breaking this last supply zone to the upside. And if you're also breaking this last highs to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is also continuing to move to the upside, then the chance is high that ONDO will also reach new highs in the near future. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ONDO, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. So all in all, guys, I'm really bullish on ONDO, especially for the long term. And right now it's very important that we could see a bullish move in the near future. I think it's also a possible scenario that we are sweeping this last lows right here and then pushing to the upside. Just if we're breaking this last lows to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. And then of course the next very interesting price area is this demand zone right here, the start of this bullish push. But as I said, I think the chance is also high that we can see even higher prices because we are still in this bullish structure. And if we are taking out this highs, then the chance is high that we can see higher prices in the near future. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.